In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on filling out forms, annotating documents, or simply adding additional information to a PDF, knowing how to efficiently use the text box tool is an essential skill. Let's get started by navigating through the Adobe Acrobat interface. First, when you open Adobe Acrobat, you'll be greeted with the home page. Here, you'll see various options to manage your PDFs. You might be continuing work on a document you've recently used, or perhaps you're creating a new one. For our purposes today, let's assume you have an existing document that you would like to edit. Toward the top section of the homepage, there's a Recent tab. Click on that and it will display a list of recent documents you have accessed. Select the document you want to work on by clicking on it. This will open the PDF and ready it for editing. Once your document is open, you'll need to access the comment tools. Adobe Acrobat provides a variety of annotation tools that you can use to make notes on your PDF. To add a text box, you want to focus on the commenting section. Look towards the right-hand toolbar. Find and click on the Add a Comment button. This is the gateway to accessing several annotation tools. When you click it, a new set of options will appear. Within these options, you'll see different types of comments you can add. But since our goal is to add a text box specifically, look for the option labeled Add Text Comment. It's a wonderful tool that allows you to place new text on your PDF document. Click on it once to select it. Now that you've selected the Add Text Comment tool, you can create a text box on your document. Click anywhere on the page where you want the text box to appear. You'll notice a box popping up where you can start typing. Feel free to adjust the size of the box to accommodate the length of your text. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the box to expand or reduce its size according to your needs. Once you are satisfied with the placement and size of your box, go ahead and type directly into it. You can enter any text you need, whether it's simple annotations or detailed comments. Remember, you can always adjust the box later if you decide you need more or less space. And that's it. You've successfully added a text box to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is a powerful feature for enhancing your documents, making them more interactive or informative. With a bit of practice, it will soon become an indispensable part of your PDF editing toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy editing!